Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y21S, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and clicking on Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down just a bit, click on Font Style, and tap on the best one for you. In my case, Classic Fonts. Lastly, select Apply at the bottom and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!